Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, Air sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Libra. Messages for Libra. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, the star, strength, lovers, and wheel of fortune. Definitely things will turn into your favor, Libra, and there is love between you and your person, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, especially, or Leo. So you are working on your inner strength. Yeah, focusing on your inner strength. You want to stand by your power, and there is something positive is coming into your life, and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. So recent past, Six of Swords, clarification cards, Page of Swords, Queen of Wands, and King of Swords. So Six of Swords, some communication, someone keep putting tabs on you, someone is spying on your social media. Maybe for some you decided to move on in recent past, and you're very passionate about your work and you're concentrating on your inner strength, and you are stubborn in recent past. Yes, you are becoming stubborn and you started thinking through your logical mind. Yes, and lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you on social media. Then present Eight of Wands, clarification cards, Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Ace of Cups, and Ten of Cups. Lots of communication is coming. Someone wants to communicate with you. If they did hurt you, they want to say apology. And lots of you kids also involved in this connection. Definitely, I think you love this person still if you are in separation, and someone is coming back with solid offer. They're coming back for reconciliation, and lots of communication is coming. Then future, Five of Pentacles, clarification cards, Two of Cups, Seven of Wands, and Three of Cups. So if you're missing them in future, then definitely someone want reconciliation. I think I am getting reconciliation energy here. And lots of you are involved in third party, but this love is mutual. You both are soulmates, and you are very defensive in future, but someone coming back for reconciliation. It's up to you to accept or reject, because if your person in past they did hurt you, so it's totally up to you to give second chance or not. But I am getting reconciliation energy. Someone is coming back for reconciliation. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Two cards. Their feelings, now see their intentions. Wow. Wow. So lots of you right now, there is some drama is going in your life, but this person is really serious about you. They want reconciliation with you. For some, your person is already married and have kids, but they're thinking about you, you are their empress, you are very strong person, they're still very very attracted to you, Libra. So what I'm getting here, the current feelings, Queen of Cups, clarification cards, the Sun and Five of Pentacles. So they are realizing their mistake because in past they rejected you, they neglected you, but they're realizing their mistake. They want to offer their cup of love to you, Queen of Cups. They really have strong emotions towards you, and they want to reconcile with you. And the Sun card, definitely now they're getting clarity what they want and what they don't want. And intention, Seven of Wands. So they won't give up on you very easily. So they will fight for your love. They will fight for your attention. This time, this seat, King of Cups and Queen of Cups, definitely both have strong emotions towards each other. And this time they're really serious about you and they really want to offer Ten of Pentacles, stability to this connection. Yeah. Your person wanna marry you if you are in relationship. If you're already married with this person, they wanna take this relationship to next level. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Queen of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. Under the deck, Queen of Swords with Three of Swords. Yeah. Definitely they want to share their life with you. They're heartbroken without you. Maybe for some they're not expressing their feelings with you, but they really do love you. They want this Ten of Cups happiness with you. You both are on the same page, not expressing every emotions with each other. Definitely you also love this person, but you are also not expressing. You both are on the same page. Yes. For some, you are guarded up because you are confused which decision you have to make, either to allow this person or not, because Two of Swords energy, you are at some crossroads. Yeah. But you are missing them. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, a lot of confusion. You both are at some crossroads. You both have to make decision. Yes. But you both missing each other. A lot of drama is going. And some cycles are going to be end very soon. I think you both are on the same page, mirroring each other, a lot missing each other, and you both are in some confusion. You both are at some crossroads. But you both have strong emotions towards each other. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. Will you forgive me? This is the first message. Then second. Finances and career. I will never forget you. So the messages are finances and career. I will never forget you. Will you forgive me? And player. So these are the messages. So take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. So there will be a powerful change in your life, Libra, especially when new moon eclipse is going. Surrender to the divine full moon. So if you are not getting solutions for your problems, so this is the message for you. surrender your problems to the divine. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.